Okay, heads up. In this video, I'll be showing you how to apply glue to sneakers when you're doing a minor reglue. For this task, we'll be using the Reglue kit, and you'll see all the parts that are involved in the kit. For example, there, like the glue eraser. You'll see the plastic knives that we use to get into small, hard to reach areas. It would be a lot more difficult if you used a brush. We got needles, glue applicator bottles, and a whole lot more. So please stay tuned to the end for more bonus footage. My name is Footprints, and I'd like to thank you for watching.
All right, we're about to use the Reglue kit. I got some cotton balls, I got my friction sticks here, knife, bottle, acetone, and glue eraser. We're gonna be doing these dunks right here. It can get like a little difficult to get inside these tight areas, so that's why I made this kit right here. As you can see, it comes with the palette knives, needles, glue bottles, all types of tips to reach any area, no matter how far, how deep. This is how I maintain my needles right here. I just keep them in some water so that they don't get clogged. And all these needles are compatible with this one bottle. For this particular job, we're going to be using the black tip, and I was going to show you how neat you can get this. You don't need any tape. Just put a bead in there. Okay. And then you can just squeeze it together. You can see there's no overflow. We're gonna do that twice, because I want to make sure I get the best stick that I can get. Okay, and all you do is put it together, and then you'll wait 30 minutes to 45 minutes with some air. You can see the glue is all in there, and then you'll just put it together. No mess, less hassle, no heat, no anything. If you do get glue overflow, and you just let it dry up, you get your glue eraser. This is how I use it. I put it on a pair of pliers. We got a little bit of glue right here, and I just rub that glue away right off the suede. Really easy. No need to use acetone and damage your product or anybody's stuff. Okay. If you feel like maneuvering the glue around and you got to reach in certain areas, you got your knives here. You can reach in just about anywhere. Really, it's really thin. You can just slide inside, spread around your glue, hook it up, and then you're good to go. So that's why I made this kit. It comes with all these needles that you see here. The palette knives are all compatible with this bottle. Glue eraser comes with the friction sticks for right here. And once you finish with your glue and your glue job, you just put your sticks in there and you let that air out and sit like that. And then you come back 30 to 45 minutes and you hook it up. Well, let me show you another way to use the friction sticks, how to remove the glue from the dunks. Okay. So when you're removing the glue, 3 minutes, all you got to do is find a seam here on a stitch, and I like to put mine in one stitch, then I skip over one and I put it in another. And if I was going to clean off the uppers, I would just lift this up like this, and then I would begin to clean here. Okay. All right, so for the foams here, I got my Reglue bottle. I'll be using the green tip, and I'm running around the edges, and I'm checking for little openings here. Like I'm running along the edges with my blade, and I'm checking. It's like if I find one like that. So I find one here, I just open that up, get my glue, put that inside, get my little knife, spread the glue around flat and even. Okay, you can see how we get inside there. And that's the glue activating the old glue. And I can feel that there's glue on there, so I'm confident now that there's glue under there. You know? Then you let that sit for 30 minutes, 45 minutes. And you try to find any area, more areas, and you just do the same thing. Just like so. Real easy, nice and neat. And I can't push any further, so I know that the glue is there in the other places, like I know it's solid. So I just keep running around the whole shoe on the edges and checking for little openings and correcting those. If you get some glue on your knives over here, I just get my glue eraser. And once the glue is dried up, you just attack it with your glue eraser so that you don't damage your knives over the course of time, like using razors and sandpaper, I don't know, whatever you're gonna use. But you just use your glue eraser. Take that old glue off. And then you're ready to use your knife again. So maintenance tip. All right, so here's a maintenance tip here. We got our Reglue bottle, and I keep my needles in some water. If my needles get a little clogged, I just got like a bread tie right here. And a bread tie will fit through any of these needles that you see within this cup right here. Okay, you just put your bread tie through there to push any glue out. And it should be unclogged, and I let it sit in the water like so. The bottle itself, the glue tends to dry up if your bottle is like half empty. Okay, so you want to maintain your glue. You just get some acetone, pour that in till you just see some acetone come over the top. Close your bottle up. Okay, shake it up till you see your glue get loose again. You'll hear it. You'll see it should slide like syrup. Your glue should always be like syrupy. I don't know if you can see that moving in there. A little bit of light, but it should always be syrupy. I'm gonna try to let some come out so you can see how the glue should be. You should be able to, it should flow freely. You see that? That's how your glue should flow. It should never be hard to come out the bottle. Then I just squeeze the bottle, try to squeeze all much air out as possible, and I just cap it. And that's how I maintain my glue inside the bottle.
All DIY sneaker tools and supplies will be available in the description or in the comments.
Hey, my name is Footprints, and again, I'd like to thank you for watching. So here's a little bit about me. I specialize in reglues and patent leather repairs, and I also can fix the hole in the front of a toe box for like Yeezy 350s or on the side as well. I have a special suede and nubuck renewal powder and sealer that's available, and I also do online live classes. I have ebooks available, PDFs, and a whole lot more. So stay tuned, and thank you again.
And please, when you get a chance, I got more Reglue videos in my profile, so take a look around and please go check them out. Thanks again.